Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, what a wonderful day here in South Texas. You can thank this big ridge of high pressure sitting out to the west of us, bringing in dry air at the upper and middle levels of the atmosphere. That's why it was so nice. The dry air is fleeting a bit, so we'll pick up a few more clouds tomorrow, but still mostly sunny skies as the high is blocking moisture from moving into the region. So here's a look at it. The high is sinking air, and that equals sunny skies. That's certainly what we've had the last 2 days. We'll see a lot of sunshine here tomorrow and Friday in spite of the wind. And again, that sinking air is the reason for the great weather. That's going to change over to low pressure in the upper atmosphere by the weekend. That means rising air, and that means rain. Farmers and ranchers take note, as we are going to see some significant rain in the area. In the short run, we have some thin high clouds overhead, and they'll be with us overnight and in the morning, and making it a little bit milder tonight than last night by about 4 to 5 degrees. Short-term forecast, not as cool in the morning as it was this morning, in the mid-50s, about 60 at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Increasing wind in 74. Notice the sunshine mixed with clouds at noon, and then mostly sunny and 78, but windy here. Southeasterly winds at 22. At Chris 6 in the weather department, sustained winds of 20 miles an hour or greater are considered windy. Short-term forecast then overnight calls for temperatures in the upper 60s to drop into the low 60s by 4 a.m. with slowly decreasing winds that will lead us to these low temperatures that actually aren't bad, ranging from about 58 inland at George West and Beeville to 64 in Port Aransas. We'll see 60 here in Corpus Christi. Now the highs tomorrow will reach 80 degrees as we did today, 72 in Port Aransas, ranging up to 82 further inland at Falfurrias. Fremont, you're included as well. Warm here tomorrow, near 80, winds and humidity increasing, southeast winds 15 to 25 and gusty. Beautiful skies silhouetted by some clouds. As you can see here on the satellite and the radar, we pull out a little wider. High pressure to the east, low pressure out here to the west will cause a tightening pressure gradient and more wind. Further west, there's this monster storm we talked about yesterday that's now approaching California. That's going to send that front through here on Saturday night around sunset, and that's going to put the kibosh on our warm temperatures. Here's a look at the wind forecast ahead of it in response to that system moving our way. Gets windy here tomorrow, 15 to 25 and gusty. The same on Friday. The winds relax as they generally do ahead of the front, 10 to 20 on Saturday, the best day of the weekend. Going to be windy from the north on Sunday and bone-chilling temperatures compared to the 80s. So here's that front on our next weather maker coming into South Texas with likely rain developing here late Saturday night. I'm thinking around 10 p.m. to about noon to 1 o'clock on Sunday, and then that pushes east. Here's how much rain we're talking about. Generally a quarter to a half inch up around Houston. Most of the coastal bend will see a half to 3/4 of an inch. Haven't seen that in about 2 months. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 60 tonight, 80 tomorrow, windy, 65 and 82 Friday. Then mostly sunny here Saturday and 83. The front not until late in the day. And again, for your outdoor plans, Saturday is the best day. Rain likely on Sunday and chilly, windy, and a high of just 59. And then we're looking at temperatures slowly responding, but not before we have some overnight lows in the 40s here Monday and Tuesday morning. Then we'll recover back into the 70s the middle of next week. But this is a big front. I'm excited about it because of the rain, and we need that rain.
All right, yeah, thanks.